what? I heard what he said. He told you they're horrible.
It's a blizzard. What?
I can't hear you. You're cutting out.
It's a blizzard.
I don't know what you went through.
You're in a blizzard too. Oh, you showed the screen.
Yeah, show the screen because I
Oh, yeah, right.
Look at this.
See, I think
So
this is
snowy
worse.
out. Look at there. You can see crap. Look at there. You can barely see crap. But then look at there. The road. Oh la la. Oh. Oh,
Nope, we
there's
just
light
checked all those
right
roads.
behind us.
Horrible. And we checked the roads on 511. And then I gave Dale a ring quick, and he's got somebody there that lives in Hutch. He said it's horrible. An hour north of Hutch.
Dude, we're
So you should just plan on getting in your car.
freaking trailer.
We got the snowmobile back there.
Yeah, I'm not going that way. That's adds on an extra. Yeah, and it's bad north. Babe, I checked every way, okay? I'm telling you, this is the least amount of driving.
Dude,
And either way, it's bad.
this is so.
That's what I'm saying.
It's so creepy, dude. Dude,
Oh, that road
this is the
55,
frost
you're fucking
over the window.
Hell no.
Like, you can't
Hell
see.
no. You didn't just hear me tell you everybody's going super slow. I'm at 30 now.
Oh my god. Dude, it's so freaking
Yeah, good try.
cold.
You can't, right now, the road is completely snow covered.
It's not.
Is that the middle or the center line? You can't see the road right now. Alex, can you see the road right now?
Nope, not even.
Not at all. This is dangerous. We should have left in the morning.
See, someone
Okay,
has
now
common